Hello everyone, I'm Joanna Ate. Today I'm going to present our RFP design proposal on reputation and voting rate system for defunding in SingularityNET. So who's Photrek? We are an innovation company that specializes in three sectors: risk intelligence, DAO governance, and simulations for decentralized decision making. So a quick overview of our proposal. With this RFP design, we aim to output three sophisticated RFPs focused on outlining the foundations for a reputation system that will be utilized for deep funding, but hopefully for the entire SingularityNet ecosystem. And this is follow-on work since we've been involved with deep funding and building this reputation tools since round two. So the key milestones are here. We will have a community workshop to consolidate a lot of the conversations that have been had previously around this, and just to create a high-level architecture design. The second RFP will be detailing the requirements for the microservice layer. So some specific examples could be like a blockchain data explorer that imports transaction data that will be inputted into those calculations. And then an adaptive algorithm layer, and then also a knowledge graph layer, where we'll be focused a lot on also exploring and collaborating with a lot of the existing solutions that are out there. And the goal with this is to output these RFPs in a way that the community can then take on and continue these efforts and build independently. So just a bit of background on our work. So in Deep Funding 2, we've built the proof of concept to automate how these scores have been calculated within Deep Funding, specifically the engagement scores. As you may know, voting weight in Deep Funding is based on an engagement score that you accumulate by engaging on the proposal portal and your square root of your vote of your HIX holding. But then in Defunding 3, we've developed this further by creating a fully functional tool that imports the data from all of these from both these portals, and we've enhanced the algorithms to truly capture engagement scores and final voting weights. And then in Defunding 3 as well, our partner that's been building this with us, Trust Level, has conducted a series of community workshops with different stakeholders in the ecosystem, like Rejuve, Mindflex, etc. And they're already building a part of this. And Photrek as well has been building its simulation as part of Defunding Round 4 beta to measure the quality of community decisions in respect to different voting mechanisms. So all of this work will go into this RFP design, and all of these efforts and requirements gathering will go into making sure that the RFPs that are being outfitted will truly capture what the system should look like, and how it will advance, and how it can be built by independent community members. Our Photrek leadership circle consists of us five. I am the SNET lead. Kedrick Council is the president, and Bill Thistleton is the scientific lead. I'm sure you've seen them before in the ecosystem. And then we have a specific SNET circle with many members that have been contributing to our work. And then these are just some resources that you could find a lot of our previous efforts that I outlined earlier. Thank you.